Parrillada é sumamente conhecido rond o mundo, aunque com origem de Argentina. Não tem momento mais importante para gostar de duche comida que agora que mês.
O Argentine Grill, situado em Arawa Garden, está especializado em comida argentina que nos turta gusta. Nós temos que conhecer para o sabor Riba Grill.
Tango is specialized in Argentine steaks. We serve different kind of steaks. We got skirt steak, T-bone, filet mignon, ribeyes. Besides all of that, we also have seafood, but mainly we're known for our really tender steaks. The big difference between our steaks and regular steaks is that our steaks are from Argentina, free range, and you can taste the difference when they come off the grill. They're really tender, really juicy, and really flavorful. There's a difference between cooking on gas and cooking on charwood. Charwood gives that barbecue grill that the other restaurants that cook on gas cannot give the steaks. In front of you, you have our tango salad. It's a vegetarian salad. It comes with pine nuts, black olives, green olives, balsamic vinegar, oil. Quite nice, and we can also top it up with some sirloin. Right here we have our skirt steak. It's one of my best sellers that we have. It's 16 ounce. We're serving with all our dishes with fresh veggies and oven roasted potatoes. Right next to it you'll find the mixed grill. We're serving 4 items. We're serving filet mignon, chorizo, which is typically Argentina sausage, grilled chicken, and barbecue ribs. Also, these come with fresh veggies and oven roasted potatoes. Now, starting from 7:30 till 10:30, we have live entertainment. Every day we have different artists. We got jumping playing guitar, we got singers, we got trumpets, the whole 9 yards. For all our local guests, we have an early bird menu. It's a 3-course dinner. You can choose for a daily fresh-made soup or salad. We got 6 items, which one of them is a filet mignon, a grouper, or sirloin. Also served with fresh veggies and oven roasted potatoes. And for dessert, you get a caramel flan or ice cream. For our local guests, you can get it every night, all night long. And for our tourists, it's only from 4 till 7 o'clock. Tango is located on Arawa Gardens in front of Occidental, close by Sopranos Piano Bar and Salt and Pepper.